Hello, my name is Matthew Simon and I'm one of the directors and owners of Empire Linen Services. We would like to ask you to consider what Empire Linen Services can offer your company. With nearly 30 years of industry experience servicing the boutique and five-star hotel market, we have much to offer. Our goal is always to provide our customers a competition-beating premier laundry service at competitive pricing. Our unique service is a simple offering that has proven very hard for other laundries to duplicate. Let me tell you about some of our best features. These are 1% rejects, managed RFID, own stock, improved mortality and longevity, controlled housekeeping costs.
Dedicated stocks between Empire and the customer mean controlled rejects. Couple that with state-of-the-art linen scanning. Empire is unique in offering our customers a contractual guarantee of less than 1% rejects. That's customer rejects, not laundry rejects. RFID tracking of linen can actually be a negative for the customer if it's not expertly managed. We have set our RFID system to operate so that you won't get the wrong item. Your linen count will be correct and billed properly. This is cross-checked by weighing, and you won't get another customer's linen stocks. If you own your own linen stock, then Empire should be the only laundry to use. Our laundry system of production is built to extend the life of linen. We don't use typical moisture crushers, which helps a lot. Normally, a hotel might see 200 wash cycles from their linen. With Empire, we're seeing more than 750 cycles. That's a lot of money saved. The superb quality Empire offers will save housekeeping staff time and money. Staff having to remake beds or tables multiple times due to poor quality and rejects can be a thing of the past. Empire will deliver you well less than 1% rejects. That's money saved.
In summary, if you're considering a new laundry service provider, if you're looking for the best quality bar none, as near to a turnkey laundry solution as possible, superb customer services, dramatically extended life on your linen, and a responsibly and ethically run company, then you must contact Empire Linen Services.